Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. Today I am using this Fall Fantastic kit by Allison Pennington, and I will begin here by placing my papers in the background. There are some really great and vibrant patterns in this collection, and so I will try to use them all. Try not to. I don't have too many photos this week, so it's a good week to really kind of go all in on some big patterns, which don't always go so well if you have a lot of photos happening. So in this kit, she didn't include any solid papers, and because of just how exciting a lot of these papers are, I felt like, especially behind my photos, I needed to have some solid papers. But it's easy enough really to make them yourself. I just used the eyedropper tool to select, I think that navy paper there on the left side. I just selected that navy color from one of the papers, and I filled in. It's especially easy on the pockets because the background is already there for you. So I just filled in that area of the pocket, and then a leaf has a cardstock styles kit that's available on Pixel Scrapper, and so then it's just as easy as clicking on one of those cardstock styles and you've got your solid paper in the background. So that's just a nice quick tip that you can use if you really wish that solid papers had been included. It's quite easy to create them yourself. So I've got all my papers here in the background, and I've started working in on the elements. I've added in some different paint splats. And now I will just work on creating a few different clusters of elements around the pages. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.